How to fix the Amazon app while it's not working on Android and iPhone. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about the solution to fix the Amazon app when it's not working on the Android and iPhone. So now let's get started. First and foremost, go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data signal and try turning the airplane mode on and off, and this should definitely help you resolve the problem in the first place. But if it's still not working, go ahead and update the application. Open the Play Store if you're using Android, and then open the App Store if you're using iPhone. Tap on the search bar and then type in Amazon Shopping. Once you find the application and see an update button over there instead of open, tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Now try clearing the app cache. Tap and hold on to the Amazon Shopping application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. Scroll down and tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. Come back, go to Battery, and make sure that it's optimized or unrestricted. Again, come back and go to Permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the permissions, including the camera, notifications, contacts, nearby devices, photos and videos, and more. Now, if you're using iPhone, you can go to iPhone storage. From there, simply search for Amazon Shopping app and then upload the app. After that, you can reinstall it using the App Store on your device. Now, simply go ahead and restart your entire device. Tap and hold the power button and then tap on restart, and this will restart your device and you can see if the problem is resolved. Last but not least, you can try uninstalling the Amazon Shopping application from your device. So tap and hold on to it, tap on uninstall or remove app, and then tap on OK to confirm. Now you can go ahead and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store on your device. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.